Vidya. I'm from Bangalore and I'm married and I'm proud mom of 9-year-old daughter. Yeah. Going back, at my workplace, I was facing a lot of challenges. I was not having enough confidence to speak in front of my senior managers. I was hesitant to open up and share my thoughts, and I heavily relied on my manager to accompany me in all the meetings, in all the discussions. So all my directors had an impression about me that, okay, Vidya cannot take more responsibilities. And finally, and some thought was running on my mind, like I was thinking to quit the job. And I was just browsing my Instagram. I got to know about Coach APM. I attended the webinar session. Then I took the silver membership. I was attending the classes very regularly. It was going very well for me. It benefited a lot for me. But however, I took a diamond membership as well. So I could see a tremendous changes in myself. So some of the breakthrough moments I want to share with all of you. So in diamond membership, the coach usually focuses on every individual. We are made to sit on a hot seat and coach drill us like anything for our benefit, and audit will be done on individual person. So which I wanted for my career growth. And another breakthrough moment is we always start our session with 6 diamond rules. Out of that, my favorite one is courage. Coach always mentioned, courage doesn't mean doing things without fear. Courage means doing things though we have a fear. This is my favorite rule, and I implemented this everywhere in my personal as well as in my professional life. And now also I have implemented it. Of course, I am nervous. I am having the fever, but I took that courage to speak in front of all of you. Yeah, and I have to say about this one. I think Coach also mentioned just now. This was like a game changer for me. Coach always starts with a session like, do not be a novice, don't act as a novice. This was like a straight hit for me. Every meeting or discussion I used to go, I used to tell that, okay, I don't know the things. But when I got to know this, it completely shifted my mindset, and I started feeding my mind that I am in the system for a long time. I know the things, I can communicate the things confidently. So this was like a game changer for me. And also book reading club. Believe me guys, it looks so simple, but it's not that, okay? Some of the books which coach suggested are so good. One of my favorite book is Who Moved My Cheese. I suggest everyone to read that book. It's a very simple book. You can just finish it in an hour. So once I read that book, it just changed the way I started looking at the situation changed. So I suggest that book to my family members and even to my close colleagues as well. And affirmations. How can I forget about the affirmations? These affirmations are working like magic for me. Every now and then I keep repeating them. So I just want to follow, I just request everyone to follow those affirmations as well. And this year, Coach, we started with a new concept called Vision Board. Yeah, it was completely a new concept for me. I was very excited when Coach said, I did my vision board on Jan 2nd itself, all the activities what I wanted to do this year, and I did it on my vision board. Believe me, for many years I was trying to learn four-wheeler driving, but I kept postponing it due to some other reason. But after I added it to my vision board, within 1 month, I was able to drive completely four-wheeler driving. And just on a lighter note, my husband was telling, like, hey, I will not allow you to touch my XCV 700. You have to drive this Grand i10 for 1 year. But I proved him wrong. Okay, he got confidence and he gave his XCV 700 to me to drive it. See, there is a reason why I'm mentioning this incident. A coach session doesn't just help in the professional growth. It also empowers us to achieve our personal milestones as well. So I would like all my fellow community members to believe in yourself, believe in coach, follow all the instructions or the suggestions with discipline and like a military rule. So you will see the magic happening within you just like it did to me. Thank you everyone.